Hi, I'm Richard Latowski, co-founder and CEO of madVR Labs. I'm here tonight at a very special Envy VIP night hosted by Gramophone, one of our premier platinum dealers here in the United States, where about 50 people will attend and see the differences that the new Envy Core makes for both TV setups as well as entry-level projector setups. So as you can see in this room, we have two Sony A95L OLED TVs set up the same, and we're going to demonstrate the benefits that the Envy brings to TVs. So TVs are great in the media room. Some people have them as their primary room. Some people have it as a secondary media room or a great room living space. So the Envy Core brings some really serious benefits. Let's talk about what those benefits are. First is dynamic tone mapping. The Envy is going to extract more dynamic range and give you those super bright brights without crushing detail, and likewise deep, rich blacks while still having all that fine detail and that shadow detail that we all long for. The Envy will never damage a video as a result of that extreme HDR range that sometimes these content providers have on their sets. So as you can see here, another key benefit of using the Envy with the TV is we use a nonlinear stretch to remove about half of the black bars. So you can see without the Envy, your black bars are this big. You lose about 30% of the image due to the black bars when you watch a movie on 16:9 TV. So in this case, we use our nonlinear stretch to reduce that black bar down to about 1 inch in this case. So it looks more like a bezel than it does a black bar. And it creates a much more immersive viewing experience. Another key benefit is the upscaling. So we're still watching a lot of 1080p content, particularly TV content and broadcast TV, sports, those types of things. And that is really tricky because you want to get the highest quality upscaling. So the Envy Core will take that 1080p up to 4K and make it look spectacular, almost like native 4K, more so than most displays are capable of doing. Then of course the Envy has other benefits as well, allowing you to get extreme calibration capabilities and really dial in that reference cinematic picture at home. Then after the part one of the event, we're gonna move over to the other room where we're gonna be showing its big brother, the Envy Extreme, on a Sony Bravia projector and the benefits it makes for motion handling using Motion AI, the world's first AI-based motion interpolation, and show the benefits that that provides to being able to remove that judder while still keeping it looking film-like if that's what you prefer, or you can go to a higher level and get a more clear image if that's really what you're after. We'll also talk about things like subtitle handling, aspect ratio management, and much, much more. So thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment and we'll be happy to get back to you.